The Switchback turn signal conversion kit with resistors is available for any 05 to 12 Mustang owner who wants to change up the lighting and appearance of their turn signals by having the color switch from a bright, pure white running light to a deep amber turn signal light. Now the dual colored bulb and the necessary resistors come together in a kit for just about 70 bucks, and the installation, although requires just a bit of splicing, will still get 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. There's really 2 big benefits to this kit. The first being that this is a full LED upgrade, and the second is, of course, the styling change. Now going from a factory automotive bulb to an LED does wonders for not only the appearance of your ride, but also the safety and visibility. The lights in this kit with a white LED, which the kit uses for daytime running light functions, will be light years brighter and clearer than a factory bulb. The bulbs use a 3-chip 50/50 SMD technology to put out a bright light with only 1/10 of the power consumption when compared to stock, while also being rated at 100,000 hours of continuous use. The 30 white LEDs incorporated into the bulbs light up the night with a farther distance to give you the best visibility possible for your safety and of course the safety of others on the road. Now you'll be seen a lot easier by other drivers and of course pedestrians. The other benefit is of course just the overall pretty sweet appearance. Now the way these work is very simple. They light up white with the DRLs, but once you hit that turn signal, they switch over to a deep amber color when the indicator is flashing. This also helps with visibility because at night people will see a color change in a flash, then switch back to a white light when the signal is off. It's definitely a unique styling that I haven't seen before on a Mustang, so this stands out from the pack for sure. Now typically an LED conversion kit would cost around 100 bucks or so for something like your headlights or taillights, but these are actually going to be a bit more affordable at about 70 bucks for the kit you see here. Everything you need is included, equalizer, resistors, and all, in order to make sure that the power is being supplied correctly. Other options don't offer a bulb that projects light all around the bulb, some only project it to one side, forcing you to aim the light properly inside the housing, and that is not the case here. This one has a 360-degree viewing angle, so the light is completely effective no matter how they're mounted in the housing. No need to readjust. Now the installation is pretty straightforward, although there will be just a bit of splicing, but nothing too crazy though. I will say you would be able to tackle this in about 15 to 30 minutes at home, which is why I'm giving it 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter.
First step is to twist the turn signal socket and remove the bulb. Pull straight out on your stock bulb to remove it. Take your LED bulb and push it straight into the socket. All right, we're gonna take our resistor here, hook one end of it into the ground, and the other end will get hooked up to 12 volt positive. We're gonna use vampire clips. Insert your new LED conversion bulb back into the socket, turn clockwise to lock it in place. Repeat the process for the opposite side of the vehicle and your installation is complete.
Just to wrap this one up, if you're the owner of an 05 to 12 Mustang, then you might want to check out the Switchback turn signal conversion kit with resistors, which you can find right here at AmericanMuscle.com.